Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome from Akis Foundation School and College. This is Muhammad Masdul Islam and my initial is MMI. Today I will take the English comprehension class of class 3. Our today's topic is unit 18 and page number is 35. So dear students, let's open the page. On that page you will find a text on Halloween. Firstly, we will understand what is Halloween. Halloween is observed in many countries on 31st October and it is often celebrated by children dressing up in frightening masks and costumes. And the history is hundreds of years ago people dressed up as saints and went door to door, which is the origin of Halloween costumes and trick or treating. So now let's open our today's page, that is page number 35, and our topic is Halloween. So at first we will read the text. Sanjana loves her new town. She loves the mall. She loves the parks. She also loves her school. Most of all, though, Sanjana loves the seasons. In her old town, it was hot all the time. Sometimes it is cold in Sanjana's new town. The cold season is in winter. Once in a while it snows. Sanjana has never seen snow before. So, for her, the snow is exciting as well as very beautiful. Sanjana has to wear gloves to keep her hands warm. She also wears a scarf around her neck. In spring, flowers bloom and the trees turn green with new leaves. Pollen falls on the cars and window sills and makes Sanjana sneeze. People work in their yards and mow their grass. In summer, Sanjana wears her old shorts and sandals, the same ones she used to wear in her old town. It's hot outside and dogs lie in the shade. Sanjana and her friends go to a pool or play in the water sprinkler. Her father cooks hamburgers on the grill for dinner. Sanjana's favorite season is autumn. In autumn, the leaves on the trees turn yellow, gold, red and orange. Halloween comes in autumn and this is Sanjana's favorite holiday. Every Halloween, Sanjana wears a costume. One evening in autumn, Sanjana and her mom are sitting together on the porch. Mom tells Sanjana that autumn is also called fall. This is a good idea, Sanjana thinks, because in fall all the leaves fall down from the trees. This is the end of the text. After the text, there are some questions. Now we will follow the questions and we will find the answers of that questions. Question number 1. Which of the following words best describes the way Sanjana about living in her new town? I am reading the question again. Which of the following words best describes the way Sanjana about living in her new town? From the text we know that Sanjana in her new town is living happily. That means she is enjoying her new town. And the three options here are skeptical, its meaning is questioning or showing doubt. Number B, apprehensive, its meaning is anxious or worried. And option number C is overjoyed, its meaning is extremely happy. So from these three options, the right one is overjoyed, that's mean extremely happy. So in her new town, Sanjana is feeling extremely happy. Question number 2. This story is mainly about, there are three options: Sanjana's favorite season, Sanjana and the four seasons, Sanjana's favorite activities during winter. So from the text we can understand that the story is mainly about Sanjana's favorite season, and that is autumn. Question number 3. What is Sanjana's favorite thing about her new town? There are three options. Option number A, her school. Option number B, going to the pool. Option number C, the seasons. So Sanjana's favorite thing about her new town, that is the seasons, because in her old town the seasons were hot. Question number 4. In paragraph 2, the author writes, she also wears a scarf around her neck. What is the best way to rewrite this sentence while keeping its original meaning? I am reading the question again. In paragraph 2, the author writes, she also wears a scarf around her neck. What is the best way to rewrite this sentence while keeping its original meaning? That means we cannot change the meaning of this sentence. We have to rewrite this by changing a word. So option number A here is, in addition she wears a scarf around her neck. Option number B is, however she wears a scarf around her neck. And option number C is, nevertheless she wears a scarf around her neck. In this question there was a word that is also. Actually also means in addition to. So she also wears a scarf around her neck means in addition she wears a scarf around her neck. So also means in addition. So correct answer is option number A. Question number 5. Which of the following best describes the structure of this story? Option number A. The author introduces Sanjana's new town and then talks about how the seasons are changing. Option number B. The author introduces Sanjana and then describes her in the different seasons. Option number C. The author introduces Sanjana and then explains why autumn is her favorite season. So the right answer here is option number C. The author introduces Sanjana and then explains why autumn is her favorite season. Question number 6. How is Sanjana's new town different from her old town? Option number 1. It snows in her new town. Option number 2. Sanjana wears different summer clothes in her new town. Option number 3. Sanjana wears a Halloween costume in her new town. And there are three options, A, B, C. Option number A is 1 only, option number B 1 and 2 only, and option number C is 1, 2 and 3. So the right answer here is, it snows in her new town. That is option number A 1 only. Question number 7. According to the passage, which season has two names? Option number A is spring, option number B is summer, option number C fall. This is very easy to you. The right answer here is fall. Option number C, fall. Its another name is autumn. So dear students, this is the end of the questions and also end of our today's class. So if you have any questions, you can comment here. And at the very end, I am thanking you. Best of luck to you.